without the experience with bloggers against with also with the streaming by this one by content creators with YouTube accounts here, and also without his account by this one by Gotham Chess here with International Master in USA is Levi Rusman here. And also with the versus by faces by with accounts by Chessbase India with also content creators with also YouTube accounts with International Master in India is Shasagar here. And next with second games here with also with the Bote sisters here with content creators here by live streaming, and also woman FIDE master in Canada is Alexandra Botes with the faces by content creators with live stream with International Master USA is Eric Rosen. So it means in these two games analyzed here. So first game, what do you think about Daruk? So shouting Gotham Chess. So it means brilliant before resigns by Chessbase India here. And also second game, so what happened of this one with loose blocks before mating nets here. So let's see of this one with also with the final rounds of these chess play games here. White pieces with also the content creators with the name of this one with Gotham Chess in this YouTube here with International Master in Levi Rusman in USA, and also the versus by black pieces with the content creators name of Chessbase India, International Master Shasagar in India. So 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment here with a blitz here. So with the final round here. So 2 games analyzed here. So in this part of this videos here in Narodisky Memorial Blitz here, and also have a analyze of the standings of these creator invitationals after the final rounds, round number 9. So white plays Gotham Chess is d4, d5 Shasagar, bishop g5, so it means Levisky attacks queen's pawns opening. So this is the main lines here is 3 types, is also pawn c4, bishop f4, and or maybe knight f3. Without bishop g5 chooses Levisky attacks queen's pawns opening here. So without base by this one with books openings here. And also h6 by this one by Shasagar with threatening the bishop, without backwards by this one by Gotham Chess. And also c6 develops the pawns, and also c3 develops the pawns again, and also bishop f5 by Shasagar, and also e3 by Gotham Chess. Without e3 with also with semi-close against with three connected pass pawn here, and also queen b6 by Shasagar without provides by movement by queens with the idea by disturbance by pawn b4 against with threatening attacks here, and also with shield by this one by queen b3 with protects against with queen behind the pawns with challenge against without queen to queen. So this is provided by challenge here. And also knight d7 by this one by Shasagar with develops the queens here. So with that explained for example here. So in accept, why don't we queen captured accepted here? And also a takes captured, why? Because this is a weak against pawn structure here. And also pawn a5 with an idea to solutions against with provides here. So this is a good for slightly better ones of this computer example. Okay, with that back there, this one is knight d7 by this one by Shasagar. With that upcoming by left side castling, with that knights develops the queens with a challenge by this one by queen to queen here. And also by this one is knight f3 by this one by Gotham Chess by Levi Rusman here. So what the plannings here, or maybe by this one by strong powerful maneuvers knight e5 with the idea threatening the knights here with content creators here on how of this one with develops against with to making by this one with job against with knights here by next maneuver. And also pawn e6 by this one by this Shasagar here, and also bishop e2 by Gotham Chess by next up exchange castling kingside here, and also bishop e7 to support by this one with Shasagar with dark square against with challenge by bishop here with diagonals here. And in accept by Levi Rusman, bishop captured accepted, knight takes captured with idea by next castling kingside right side and left side by this one with queen side here. And also castling kingside by this one by Levi Rusman, castling by Shasagar, and also pawn h3 to no more by exchange the bishop and connected by this one with pass pawn here. And also c5 to support by this one by Shasagar with an idea by threatening the pawns, and with pushes by semi-close by c4 with idea by threatening the queens to support against with attacks the provoke here. And also knight bd2 by this one by Levy Rusman with Gotham chess, and c4 with a pushes because this is a provides here by this one by Shasagar with pawns with idea by threatening the queens here. With a threats the queens and avoided by Levy Rusman, queen a3. With that explained here, why don't we continue queen captured accepted here? Knight captured queen. So this is a more creating for example, so this is a good for slightly better. So with that back there, this one avoided by Levy Rusman. Queen a3 with idea to plannings by Levy Rusman threatening the knights and pins against with diagonals against with rooks here. So with a diagonals with a dark square here. And also knight c6 to avoided here to provide here, so no more by this one with queen here. So no more by queen captured. So this is a with exchange move with the maneuvers against that with black pieces here. And also pawn b3 by Gotham chess threatening the pawns. Captured this pawn by Shasagar, captured by Levy Rusman, and also a6 here, and also rook fc1 to support against that with exchange by this one with rook c1 to next of c4 with a movement to on how of this one with exchange by this one to work job against with rooks to provides by this one with pawns here. And also knight f6 by this one by Shasagar. So what the plans here? With the next of maneuver strong powerful is knight e4 threatening the knights on how by creating by job by maneuvers here. And also bishop d1. So this is a new move against with Gotham chess with positional move here. So this is the old main lines here. With that old main lines is queen c5 is a old main lines without queen to queen. So with that bishop d1, new move novelty against with Levy Rusman with Gotham chess here. And also by this one is knight e4 to support against strong powerful without idea threatening the knights. Knight captured by accepted by Levy Rusman. Bishop captured by Shasagar threatening the knights. And knight e2 by Gotham chess with that knight e2 with idea by threatening disturbance the bishop against with light square here. And with the backwards bishop c6 by this one by Shasagar, and also bishop c2 by Levy Rusman because bishop c2 by Gotham chess with idea to light square against with challenge by this one with bishop to bishop here on how to provide by creating by attackers. And in accept bishop captured by Shasagar, rook captured. So with a rook captured the idea by battery. With that battery by next of c4. So c4 is a next move here. And also rook fc8 by Shasagar controls by rook c5 against pins against with targets here. And also battery rook ac1 by Levy Rusman by Gotham chess by next c4. So this is a next c4 here. And also queen d8 to support against backward to on how of this one to need by ignores by movement here. And also c4 attacks the pawns here. Captured this pawn by Shasagar, captured, and also queen e7 challenge queen to queen, so does not like of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is without better move correction is b5. So b5 is a best move here. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a good for slightly better against with blocks. So back there, this one is queen e7 by this one by Shasagar without challenge queen to queen. And without excelente with Gotham chess is shield c5 push. Why push c5? Because idea with Gotham chess with c5, so no more by accepted by challenge by queen to queen because need by this one by accepted to create workshop against pawns with Levy Rusman here. And also rook d8, another bad move by Shasagar with chess-based India. So the best move this one is b5 again. What happened by this better move here? So b5 is a miss move. So with that rook d8, another bad move by Shasagar. And also knight c4 by Gotham chess with that maneuvers knight c4 with idea with plannings with knight to b6. Idea threatening the rooks. So this is a targets by attacks the rooks here to provide here. So this is a need by this one to create by workshop. And also e5, another against with bad move with third times by Shahsagar with chess base India. So the best move this one is rook pairs is rook ac8 is a best move. So rook ac8 here. So this is a good for slightly better because this is a controls by rook c fast against with turbos with battery. Okay, so back there this one is with pawn e5 attacks the pawns here. And also knight b6, what a strong, powerful, perfect shot by Gotham Chess Levy Rusman. With that knights here with the idea by threatening attacks, disturbance the rooks here. And also, e takes captured here. So with that, another explain here. In accept, sir, why don't we ignore us here? Rook ab8. I choose of this one ignorance. And also pawn d5, threatening the knights. So that knights here. If you knight a7 and also rook d2. So rook d2 is a best move. So this is a good for slightly better against examples. So good examples once in this computer. Okay, so after this one is decided capture this pawn and Levy Rusman knight takes rook, one rook down by Shahsagar here. Rook captured by knights and also rook d2 without pawns, or maybe without creating by rooks to creating by job with pawns with the idea threatening continues the pawns here. And also capture this pawn. Queen takes with a challenge queen to queen. Avoided bad move by Shahsagar. What happened? So the need accepted is queen captured accepted. Better move. Okay, f takes captured queen and also knight d8 is a proper move. So this is a good for slightly better against with blacks. Okay. So back to this one is avoided queen f6 by Shahsagar. Why avoided? Because Shahsagar ideas queen f6 ignores. Why cannot accept by chance with queen takes accepted here? Because this is a ordinary hereby movement here. And also rook d7, what a strong, powerful with strongest with Gotham Chess Levy Rusman. So with that rooks here with idea threatening the pawns here with attacks the pawns. And also queen b2 with a strong powerful here. And also queen d2. Queen d2 is a challenge by queen to queen. Avoided queen b5, what happened? So this is a problems by lowest evolution bar. So no need by this one, so the best is queen captured accepted, need by queen captured. Rook captured accepted, and also knight d8 is a proper move. So this is a neatness by this one, so two rooks versus knights. So this is a good for slightly better against with blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is avoided. Why avoided by Shahsagar? Queen here, queen b5 here. And also Levy Rusman, queen d5. And also rook f8. I'm sorry I forgot, so let's review replay. Why queen d5 here? So with a queen d5, with an idea with queens threatening the pawns with check. With a need by this one with rooks here to develops by this one with rooks protects against with more counters attacks here with check here. So this is a upcoming by check here. With that idea here, so it means develops by rook f8, so no more by queen captured pawns with check. So with that development, so need by idea with Shahsagar, two rooks develops the pawns. So this is a great by this one with movement here. And also rook e1. So with that rook e1 here with idea by with that move by rook e8 sacrifice. With that sacrifice move here. And also knight b4 by Shahsagar with idea by threatening the queens here. And also queen e6 by this one by Levy Rusman. What a strong move here. Or maybe with idea by this one with rook sacrifice. Really brilliant sacrifice here. And also pawn a5 here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the shouting by Gotham Chess, the rook? So without finding brilliant sacrifice captured before, resigns by Shahsagar in Chess Base India. First guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the content creator with Gotham Chess here. Boom! Queen takes captured F8 check. The Queen! So it means with a brilliant sacrifice captured with check. So it means resigns by chess piece India Shasagar. So why he resigns here? For example, if your king captured, sacrifice only move here, and also rook d8. So rook d8 check. If your queen hereby protects here, and Matika being mating net blocks death here. So death of his king here. So another. So it means, so with a check here by queen f8 check, with a brilliance. If you ignores by this one king h7 here, and also queen captured pawns here, you king h8 here, and also rook e8 check. If you king h7 and with the deaths of black pieces, Matika being mating that game over with blacks. So it means, so the score by 92.6 by the Rook Levy Rusman and the score by 81.9 by Shasagar. So it is okay by grades by appearance here. So the winner by Gotham Chess. So I'm shouting here. Okay, so the next second game here with also without both the sisters versus International Master USA. So next proceed by second game. Okay, so the next second game here with white pieces between with woman Piggy Master and his Botes sisters with content creators in Canada is Alexandra Botes, and also versus by black pieces by International Master USA Eric Rosen with content creator here. So in this part of this video, in this final round, round number 9, and also have a analyze of the standings of second games with Narodisky Rapid Beats. So white plays WFM Botes is D4. D5 Rosen, C4, E6, so it means Queen's Gambit decline. Capture this pawn, takes, and also Knight C3, Knight F6, and also Bishop F4, so it is Chobaba London system here. So it is called by this one with openings, Queen's Gambit decline, exchange variation, so this is a Chobaba London system here. So according by openings with book lines here. And also Knight BD7 by Eric Rosen, and also E3 develops the pawns, and also Bishop B4 by Eric Rosen without Bishop B4. So without Bishop B4 here, so this is a here. So Bishop B4 without pins against with check, without threatening the knights without before, castling king side is a right side here. And also Bishop D3 by this one by Alexandra Botes, and also C5 attacks the pawns, and with the idea by threatening the pawns here, and also with the next of push by semi-close C4 threatening the bishop here. So this is a provides here. And also Knight E2 with Alexandra next castling king side here, and also castling king side by Eric Rosen, and also A3 threatening the bishop here. And with that backwards here with Bishop A5, and also Rook C1. So with that explained here, for example, in accept, why don't we captured accepted d takes c5, and also knight takes captured here with knights threatening the bishop here, and also pawn b4 double. So look at c of this one with doubles with bishop and knights here. So this is a goods for examples like the vectors here. So with factor, this one is rook c1 by this one by Alexandra here, and also rook e8 controls by this one with rook e pass with pins against without kings here, and also bishop backwards b1 to controls here with backwards by Alexandra, but not yet ready by castling here. With bishop here b1 here, and also knight e4 by this one by Eric Rosen with the threatening the knight, so does not like of this computer engine. So the one's computer, the best move is pawn b6 is a best move. So this is a goods for slightly better against with blacks. So back there, this one is knight e4 by this one by Eric Rosen, threatening the knight's castling kingside. So this is a brand X by castling here. So the branded move is decided capture this pawn here. If you knight captured here, c3 here, knight takes captured c3, knight captured pawns, and also pawn b4 double. So this is a double attacks here, so it means lose by blacks and wins against with whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is castling kingside, so this is a worse castling. Knight takes captured by Eric Rosen, knight takes and also bishop captured, and also rook capture c3, and semi-close by c4 to exposed by this one with c4 by semi-close against that. And also queen c2 by Alexandra with queens behind the bishop here. So this is a with an idea by threatening the pawns and check on how to provide by this one to counters attacks here. And also knight f8 here without movement by knight f8, so this is a develops the pawns here. So without develops the pawns, so it means so no more by queen captured pawns here without check here. So this is a provides here. So no more by check, so without knights develop the pawns here. And also queen c2, I mean queen e2 by this one by Alexandra Botes. So I'm sorry, got wrong notes. Without queen e2 here, and also pawn b5. So this is a new move by Eric Rosen, novelty. So this is the old main lines here, so it means bishop to e6 is a old main lines. So without b5 new move novelty by this one by Eric Rosen here. And also h3 by this one by Alexandra, so no more by exchange move by bishop, so without connected by this one with pass pawn here. And also pawn a5 by this one by Eric Rosen without a5, with an idea by this one with next up pawn b4. So pawn b4 without threatening the rooks here with counters attacks here on how of this one with strong powerful here. And also without backwards rook cc1, so no more by this one with b4 because this is a more backwards against with Alexandra here. And also queen f6 by this one by Eric Rosen, and also queen h5, what a strong powerful by this one with Alexandra Botes with queens idea threatening the pawns. With threatening the pawns, and next up bishop here e5 threatening the queens here. So this is a more shield with more of this one to provide here by queens and bishop to create by this one by workshop to making by this one to threatening the with attackers here. And also with bishop b7 with develops the pawns, and also bishop e5 threatening the queens, so that disturbance the queens here. And also queen e6 by this one by Eric Rosen, and another with an excellent there is bishop f5, what a strong here by powerful by Alexandra Botes WFM. So it means without bishop f5, so it means without threatening the queens here, so it means bishop f5. And also queen c6 by Eric Rosen, and also queen g4 with idea to bishop to making by workshop with idea by threatening mating next with the attackers here. And also rook captured sacrifice, so this is a Mr. Blunderation. So what happened? So what happened by rook captured by Eric Rosen? So rook captured here, so this is a not sacrifice, so it means blunderations. So the best move, the ones computed the best, is f6 pawn. So this is a f6 threatening the bishop. If you bishop backwards g3 here, and also bishop to c8 challenged by this one with bishop to bishop here. If your bishop captured here, your bishop captured, queen takes captured, challenge queen to queen, and with a decided ignorance queen d1. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a good for slightly better against with blacks here. Okay, so back there is blunderation, so this is a blunder sacrifice. What happened by Eric Rosen here? And also with that captured by Alexandra, one rook down against Eric Rosen here. And also push d4, attacks the pawns, captured this pawn sacrifice, and also rook d8 to expose by this one with Eric Rosen to support threatening the pawns with free pawns here on how of the sacrifice. And also rook fd1 develops the pawns, and also g6 threatening the bishop, bishop backwards b1, and also knight e6 by Eric Rosen with the idea first threatening the pawns, because this is a queens and rooks to making by proper workshop here. And also f3 by this one by Alexandra Botes, and also queen b6, and also bishop e4 to threatening the light square bishop, so this is a given bad move. So the best move is properly active king h1 is the best move. So this is a goods for slightly betters against that. So the good of these explanations here, so this is a goods for whites here. So back there, this one is bishop e4 challenge the bishop to bishop, and without h5. So with that explained here, so why don't we rook captured d4, so rook captured d4, and also king h1. So it means king h1. If you rook captured accepted, rook captured here, and also bishop captured accepted, bishop captured, and also f takes captured, because this is a double slide, so with a double agonist pawn structure here. So this is a more good examples once of this computer engine. Okay, so back there, this one is without h5 threatening the queens, and without backwards by Alexandra, bishop captured accepted takes, because this is a double agonist pawn structure. This is a very ugly pawns. And also rook captured challenged by rook to rook, and also queen f4. What the excellent by Alexandra Botes. So look and see, this is a queens against with dark square with queens here. And also queen c5 without develops by rooks, and also rook captured accepted, queen takes without challenge with the queen, in accept, queen takes, knight takes, and also rook d1 threatening the knights, and also knight c6, and also rook d5 by Alexandra with idea two rooks threatening the pawns to provide here on how by with creating by attackers the pawns, and also pawn b4 by Eric Rosen with threatening the pawn. So almost by 13 seconds by Alexandra Botes, and versus 5 seconds by Eric Rosen here. Captured, and also rook c5 with idea by rooks Alexandra threatening the knights and double with pawns. So this is a provides here. And also c3 captured, good move, and also knight e2. Oh, so it means knight d8 here. So it means if you capture this pawn here, and this is a problem. Rook captures c3. So this is a more of this one with rooks threatening the knights here, and also knight captured pawn. So this is a goods for examples. So back there, this one is knight d8 against with Eric Rosen, capture this pawn, and also knight e6. Let's review here. So it means without knight d8, without idea with maneuvers is knight to e6 threatening the rooks. I'm sorry, I got forgot by this idea with plannings here. And without continue capture this pawn, and also knight e6 threatening the rooks, rook c8 check, and also king g7, pawn b5, and also knight d4. What the plans by Eric Rosen, or maybe by next maneuvers knight f3 with check, with a check here, and also b6 by this one by Alexandra with upcoming by promotes the queens here, and also knight e2 check, king f2, and also knight f4 with idea plannings here, maneuvers knight e3 with check, so with a check here by controls, and also pawn b7 almost by upcoming by queens, promotes the queens here, and also knight d3 check, and also king e3 knight captured pawn, and also promotes b8 queen, f6, and also rook c7 check, king h6, and also with a movement by excelente Alexandra Botes, h4. Without h4, so cannot move by this one with queens, so this is a move here. So this is a pawns against with protecting here. And also knight g4 check, king e2, and also g5, and also another queen h8 check, king g6, and another with a also upcoming here queen h7 making neck. Okay, so the winner of Woman FIDE Master, Alexandra Botes, with content creator with Canada. So the score by 93 points by Botes and 83.7 by Eric Rosen here. So okay, so next up this one with game number 5 here. So it means so don't forget by this one by Chess Face to Face here 2026 within game number 5 here between Reston versus me here. So I will update with Play Chess next week. Okay, so I hope with this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep up this next chess updates. Bye bye.